Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete reading list on Wattpad. First, open the Wattpad application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface of Wattpad. Tap on this option Reading List that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be able to see all of your reading lists over here. Tap on the reading list that you would like to delete. Now you can see over here you can access that particular reading list. If you only want to delete the story from the reading list, tap on the three dots right next to that particular story. Now tap on the option Remove. Tap on the option Yes. After that, the story will be removed. If you want to delete the whole reading list, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Delete Reading List that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option OK. Now after you do that, you can see over here the reading list has been deleted. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you delete reading list on Wattpad. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.